Hey y'all, future me here. I just wanted to let you guys know that I will be starting a small business promo section on my YouTube channel. So if you sell any lip gloss, scrubs, lashes, whatever it is, use this time to gain your business some type of exposure. If you are interested, please make sure you guys email me and I will get back to you. Now, back to regular programming. All right, y'all. First thing first, I have already washed my hands, but I also wore some hand sanitizer just to be extra cautious because of the virus that is going around, and you are dealing with things that are going around people's lips, so you can never be too careful. And of course, I am going to put on my gloves as well. If you guys haven't watched my last video, I did say that I am going to start wholesaling lip gloss items, and one of those items is going to be lip gloss bases. So if you guys do need any lip gloss bases, please make sure you guys go in my description bar and just check out my website below to purchase any if you would like. And yeah, so this is the amount that I am going to have for the 5 ounce. And I think it is a little bit over 5 ounce, to be honest, but yeah, so I have already weighed the base and everything, and right now all I am gonna be doing, since this is a regular base, I'm gonna have two bases available. One which is just the regular base, and the second base will be the base that's already been pre-mixed with all the oils that you would need that goes in your lip gloss. It will literally just be ready. All you have to do is pour it out. You can easily just straightly put it inside a tube, or you can just add the color that you would like, but everything will be mixed in that second tube. So right now all I'm doing is putting it in for the first tube, which is the regular base. Now I'm not gonna lie, you guys, it's very tedious, and since this isn't like mixed or anything, so it is harder for it to go down. Now the second go around, for the one that's already been mixed and with the oils, it is going to be easier. But if you are doing just regular base wholesale, it is going to be a little bit more difficult for you guys to put in those the base through the tube. Now right here, what I am doing is getting a pipette. I cut it on both sides. I cut it on both sides, and now I'm putting some tape because it is gonna be a lot of pressure that I'm applying to go through the thing, and I don't want the pipette to basically get out of and be stuck inside of the container. So I just use the tape just to secure it. And right here, all I'm doing is pushing the base inside the container. Now when I tell you guys, this is gonna make your arm hurt, and mind you, you have to do it more than like 2, 3, 4 times. So get ready to be squeezing your freaking arm out. This is gonna be like your arm workout. But everything from here on out is gonna be pretty self-explanatory, so I will come back when there's any commentary needed. So right here, all I'm doing is pushing down the base to the very bottom of the container, because I'm trying to prevent any type of air bubbles as you guys can see, I am popping the air bubbles out of it, but all I'm doing is just pushing it down so I can have more room to make sure that the container is filled to its capacity and doesn't have hella air bubbles in it. And right here is just the finished product of how it looks. And when I tell you guys, I make sure that I fill everything to the T. I seen some people don't fill it up like I did, so when you do purchase a container from me, it is gonna be like filled to the top. Now right here, all I'm doing is showing you guys the different oils that I do include in the bases. Mind you, all these oils are very expensive, so by me already having a base that already has all the oils in it is saving you guys hella money. So keep that in mind for the price of it. So, and it's not crazy price, it's not like over the top, but these oils are very expensive if you guys are doing lip gloss, so you know how expensive these oils are. So right here, all I'm doing is just including all of the lip gloss oils inside, and then I'm gonna continue to mix it. This is the finished product of adding all the oils in it and mixing it all together, and this is the consistency that I like. As you guys can tell, it is a little bit yellowish, and that's only because of the oils. But if you are adding any type of colors in it, it really doesn't matter because the color is gonna disappear and everything. So keep that in mind. And right here, I'm just showing you guys the difference between the regular base and then the base that has all the oils in it. And right here, all I'm going to be doing is repeating the same step that I did for the regular base, which is very self-explanatory as well. Alright, so this is how they will look like when they are finished and filled. I have already went ahead and washed them out so it's not all greasy from the lip gloss base and everything. And now basically what I am going to be doing is getting these clear-ish clearish labels that I do have for my lip glosses. I am gonna add it to the front of my lip glosses just to brand it and everything. But yeah, that's basically the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed it, please make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. If it was useful in any type of way, please make sure you guys subscribe. And if you are in need in any type of lip gloss bases, just check out my description bar down below, and my website will be in the description bar, so you guys can check that out. And that will be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that it was helpful. If you do use this method, please let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.